Hello, and welcome to an introduction to HDx. The course you're currently in has been designed utilizing software from the adaptive learning company Realize It. The specific product used in this course is known as the High Definition Experience, or HDx. Throughout this course, you will access all of the course contents in units designed using the High Definition Experience. The purpose of this video is to provide guidance on how to access and interact with unit content, as well as an overview of Blackboard. Within a course, you will see a blue menu on the left-hand navigation side. This navigation menu has the following sections. The first section you'll see is the home page. This is the page that you see here. Anytime you want to return to the home page, clicking here will bring you back. The next section is the Read Me First section. As it notes, this is the section you'll want to read first. This area includes a variety of important information for the course, including responsibilities and expectations, general discussion board guidelines, Safe Assign, and other course-specific information. The next area is the Syllabus and Info area. This tab will include the syllabus, as well as your faculty information. The next area is the discussion board. The discussion board is the area where all the discussions will be found. There are specific instructions for each of the initial and peer responses in this area. You will also see this information within the unit content. However, here is where you will complete your discussion responses. To access a discussion board, you will click here, and then click once again to view the instructions and the discussion board prompt. The next area you see here is the Submit Assignments and Assessments area. This is the area where all the assignments and assessments will be submitted. The instruction for these can also be found in the unit area, but this is the place that the work will be submitted, just as you did with the discussions. To access the assignment to submit, you're going to click on the header, and there you will see the grading rubric, as well as the points, and the area in which you'll be able to submit your assignment. The next area you see here is labs. This course has a lab area. Similar to the assignment and assessment area, this is the area where students will complete the lab assignments. You may also see quizzes and exams. This course does not have that tab, but other courses will have the area titled Quizzes and Exams, and that will be the same setup as Assignments Assessments tab, where you'll complete your exams or quizzes there. The next area is the My Grades area. This is where you'll be able to see the assignments in the course, the grading rubrics, as well as the overall progress throughout the course and the grades. Moving to the bottom for a moment, here you have your Messages tab. The Messages tab shows you the sent and received messages for this course. And the last area at the bottom here is the Library Resources tab. This will open up to the library homepage. These are the unit links, and each of these areas will take you directly into that unit's content, noting that each unit has unique content focusing on that unit in the course. To access a specific unit, you go ahead and you click on the Unit tab in the menu. So we'll go ahead and click on Unit 1. The first item you will see here is a course introduction, as well as some other specific information about the unit as a whole, assignments, discussions, quizzes. Remember, you cannot complete these assignments here. You will complete them in the areas within Blackboard in the navigation panel, but this lays out all of the requirements for the unit. The second item you will see at the bottom of the page is the Learning Map link for this unit. This is where the content will be. When you click this link, you'll be taken to a landing page for that unit. And the first time you access the Learning Map link, you will see a Determine Knowledge section for the unit. We'll go ahead and click there. The system that you're entering here is an adaptive system, which means it will guide your specific learning path as you demonstrate the knowledge of topics. The first step in this process is the demonstration of your current knowledge. You're going to click the Determine Knowledge to begin. This first step, you'll be asked to complete a personal assessment of your knowledge. Be honest, this is not worth points, and you'll not be penalized for answering in one way or another. The personal assessment is followed by a series of questions that will help determine what you know. If you don't know the answer to a question, again, be honest. The system is trying to establish what you do and don't know in order to predict your best area for success in starting in the unit's content. You don't want to guess. If you don't know the answer, click I don't know and complete all questions offered. We'll go ahead and click Determine Knowledge, and I'm going to say I don't know a lot. So I'm coming in with no previous knowledge, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tell the system I don't know as I read the question if I don't know the answer. Now if I know the answer at any point, state the answer you believe it is. Again, not penalized for this. The system wants to figure out what you know and place you in the learning map where you need to be. So it's asked all the questions, so we'll go ahead now and click Close. Now we're taken back to the landing page that we started on, and here we're presented with a What You Should Do Next area. This is a recommendation by the system based on where you should begin in your course content. You're also presented with an alternate steps area. You can choose to click that and engage with the content that way as well. When you click Learn, a new tab will open specific to that topic. You will work through that topic watching the videos, as well as reading the text that is available. At the bottom of the topic page, there is a knowledge check. And this is a graded assignment to measure your understanding of the topic's content. You'll be asked a series of questions, and you'll answer them here similar to what you did with the Determine Knowledge. After answering the question, you'll go ahead and click Submit. And then there's also a View option or View Solution tab. We'll click Show Next Question. And again, the last question. Apparently I should have read better. So notice here that it says that you've answered 0 out of 3 questions correctly, and it's asking up to 3 questions. So we've completed this assessment. If for any reason you feel that you've been marked incorrect and the answer should be marked correct, please bring that to your instructor's attention by clicking on the flag button. When you click on the flag button, a notification will go to your instructor letting them know that you are questioning the answer to this problem. As you can see, now that we've completed this, what we want to do is we're going to close the open tab, and then we're going to come back in this page and refresh. So the system will update to our next step. And as you can see, after this update has occurred, the system is recommending where I should go next based on my work in the system. You can also click the Learning Map title to see the entire learning map and move about where you would like if you do not want to follow the recommended next steps of the system. One thing to note, in this course there are no prerequisite requirements, but there may be in a course of yours that one of the topics is connected to another as a prerequisite. If that was the case, you would see a line and a lock symbol on this topic. If a topic shows a lock, that means that the prerequisite topic must be completed first before you can move on to the next topic. So this is the high definition experience. Do not hesitate to reach out to your instructor and ask if you have any additional questions. And the last thing is to navigate back into Blackboard. You can use the breadcrumbs across the top. So by clicking Unit 1 here, it will take me back into my Blackboard page.